Oh, you don't want it?
Oh well. Now you two. Are you sure? Send it to his ass, bro. Go, 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 go. Fucking go, boys. Ah, no. Ah, magazine. Well, thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Well, that just cleans it up. I checked it. We still need to watch our back, boys. We keep getting flanked the whole night. Yeah, bro. We keep getting flanked. Pushing point. He was doing a countdown, no one was in there. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Are you okay? Is that hot, is it? Jump in there.
Sorry?
Yes! Give it a rub.
2, 1.
Josh.
Half point sprint currently. Captured by blue team.
I kind of got you the whole
Huh?
I kind of got you the
Half point.
Got me?
No, like, I'm with you.
Oh, yeah,
But I
no,
can't aim very much.
you're okay.
That dude tried to bang you, that was funny.
It's all good, brother. It happens. Yeah, let's go, boys! For the boys! Nice, brothers. Nice, blue team. Get in there, brothers. Down the hallway, boys. Down the hallway. I think we could hold his high for that one. Sweet, I'll push up with the boys. Go, 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 go. Go, brothers, go, brothers. Oh, hello. Come and join the box of love. Come and join the box of love. No girls allowed.